Which phonics we should teach our kids? Synthetic phonics or analytic phonics? Hi, I'm Tanvi from Young Roots. So today I'm going to tell you what is the difference between analytic phonics and synthetic phonics, and then you choose which one is the best one for your kids. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon for our next reminder video which we post. In analytic phonics, you look at the word, you read it, you mug it, you remember the word, and then next time with your sight you will read that word. And in synthetic phonics, you start with your letter sounds, you blend it and then read it. Yes, in analytic phonics, you just have to keep mugging words. So it is basically a top-down approach wherein you start with your A to Z, the letters, not the sounds. You learn your A to Z and then you start with your words. These are the list of words which you have to read, learn, mug it up or memorize it and keep it in your mind that whenever it comes next, you read that word correctly. But whereas in synthetic phonics, they start with the bottom approach. In starting, they will teach s, ah, p, t. These are the letters, sounds which we will start with it. Once you do with the letter sounds, they'll start blending those letter sounds. At, at, s, ap, sap, k, ap, cap. So once you know the sounds, you start with two letter words, at, off. After two letter words, three letter words is done. So it's your bottom down approach where you start with the letter sounds, right? In analytics, you don't need much of you don't need much of skills. You just majority need to have the mugging up skill or memorizing the word. The babies who can't remember without any logic will find this skill or this phonics type very difficult to read, and they will get stuck somewhere in the long run. But over here, you do not need to memorize any of the words. You learn on your journey because you're starting with the base and your base is becoming very strong to read more sounds. Over here, they teach you over here and analytic phonics. There is no much of letter sounds. There is only letter names which you read. In analytic phonics, which we have seen, the kids find very difficult to do comprehensions. Yes, they find it very difficult because obviously once they come with some new word, they will get stuck and they would not know what to do next. Yes, so they have a lot of difficulties in comprehensions, and it is based on the words which they know. So this is not what the outside world will know after the school. And in our synthetic phonics, they do it's a easy walk for them. The comprehension is being done easily from them. So now, as parent, you choose the best one for your kids. Bye.